What's going on, everybody? This is Brett with Web Devils, and today I'm answering the question, what is WordPress? I'm also going to be talking about the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org and which one is better for you. WordPress is an open source content management system and can also be used as a very powerful blogging platform. Open source is software that is available for free, and content management system is something that allows you to easily manage your content without having to be a developer or coder. And for our specific purposes, we were talking about blog posts, web pages, pictures, videos, and any other kind of content you would have on your website. Alright, let's briefly take a look at some big names that are using WordPress for their content management systems. Here you can see we're on a CNN page, and many of their sub-pages are using WordPress. We're just using Larry King for this example. You can see he's got his blog posts over here. There's a sidebar full of widgets. This is all WordPress based functionality. PlayStation blog, pretty big name. Again, these people that are managing the website no longer need to know how to develop and write code. Instead, they just need to log into the WordPress backend and click a few buttons and they can create a new post. Tosh.0, great television show. As you see here, this front page is customized differently than the other ones, which is still WordPress, and you can do a lot of things. It's very flexible. Okay, so you're convinced you want to use WordPress, but where do you start? Should you go with WordPress.com? Should you go with WordPress.org? What's the difference? WordPress.com versus WordPress.org. The easiest way for me to say this is WordPress.com uses the software that we can all download from WordPress.org to run its service. What you don't get at WordPress.com is full unlimited customization and functionality. Instead, they offer you a very basic package. There are several themes that you can choose from, and really this is best for people that are very new to blogging. I would not recommend it for a small business, although it can work. Instead, if you are a small business, WordPress.org is the way to go. What you get here is full access to all of the files that make WordPress run. You can then upload them to your own web server, and again, you get full customization. WordPress.com does give you your own free domain name, something like iloveblogging.wordpress.com, so you're actually a subdomain of WordPress.com. This is again great for new users. WordPress.org allows you to upload those files to your own web host, so any domain name that you have can essentially be a WordPress install. Example here is iloveblogging.com. People are often asking me about if they have an online store or an event calendar. Maybe they want their Twitter posts to show up on their website like they've seen around. Maybe they need a mailing list contact form set up. All of these things are possible with WordPress. Again, the .com WordPress comes with very limited functionality, but if you already have your own domain name and hosting service, you can install the WordPress right there on it and have unlimited functionality to all these different tools. Alright, that's about as fast as we can cover all this information. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in contact with us and we will talk about it with you further. Otherwise, thank you for hanging out and we will see you next time.